Welcome back, everybody. It's Denise from Let Your Creativity Shine. 15 inches. This is how a lady does it. She folds them just like that, Chanel stems, and then she puts them through, pulls on it, right? You pull on it until you get it tight to where you want it. There you go. Now I want to move it over because I don't want it on there. To 14 inches, you fold it, and then you cut at an angle to the point of the wire, and there's your dovetail. Fold over ruffle. So all you do is you fold it over like that, and then like that, and you flip it, and then you go like this. Okay. So that's how it looks so far. Okay, I'm going to do the outside, and then I'm going to get the middle done, and I'll be back. I have two more after this one, and then it's the inside. And I think for the inside, I'm going to switch it around. I'm going to have the blue on the bottom and the orange on the outside, on the top. Okay, so that's how the outside looks. Do a really good tug on there. Right. Now the next one is right here. And then you got a dovetail. So we'll have 4 of these on the bottom and 4 in the middle. So you place it on top, the small little one. Right, pop them out. See, like that. We're going to alternate. Okay, and then pop your divots. There with the blue. Okay, and then you got, and then you just keep all covering if I decide to do a bow too, which I would like to do a bow.